Thank you.
Welcome. So I finally got a hold of you, huh?
I'm really not about this lifestyle, Dayan. I'd much rather we just drive around the canal or something.
वो भी कर लेंगे, but I genuinely wanted to take you out, treat you.
You really think too much of yourself, don't you? Cute.
अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ, how's your application for NC coming along? You know my dad can always put in a word. Just let me know if you need anything.
Just some respect and some booze. The rest I have covered. Thank you.
Have you always been this fiery, or is it just something you do around men you're intimidated by?
Have you always been this cocky, or does this internalized misogyny only show up in front of women who know what they want?
You're a funny girl, Zelina. I like you.
Wish I could say the same. यहाँ खाने में क्या अच्छा है?
They never had anything in common, but a common tragedy and fire. But that too was directed in polar opposite directions. Fire that Zerlina thought she could see light in, but fire that Dayan could burn anything down with, even the most precious things and the most precious moments.
जाग गए नहीं जान डिनर कैसा?
सही हो गया? आपने नाश्ता किया या मैं बना दूँ?
नहीं अभी नहीं किया. ऐसे करो ऑमलेट बना लो मेरे लिए और भाई के लिए भी.
अच्छा. आइए ना.
वाह आज तो तुम्हारी बहन ने कमाल ही कर दिया. वेरी वेलकम. सो how's work? कैसा जा रहा है? हमारी हमसाई बता रही थी कि the economy is going through recession. I hope things are okay at the office. बताओ ना. अच्छा चलो छोड़ो. I know how you are. You leave work at the office. I'm sorry to even bringing it up. हमारे टाइम पे तो your father and I used to come back home and talk about everything आराम से खुल के. टाइम गुजरने का पता ही नहीं चलता था. We used to turn the radio on and talk for hours. अब लगता है जैसे वक्त रुक गया है. या शायद मैं रुक गई हूँ. फिर ज्यादा समझ नहीं आता. God, मैं भी बस ना just go on a tangent. Why you're not eating though? Try तो करो. It's really nice. जरीना भी सीख रही है but इसके हाथ में बहुत जायका है. जैन मैं तुमसे बात कर रही हूँ. खा के देखो. क्या कर रहे हो? क्या बच्चों जैसी चीजें करना शुरू कर देते हो तुम? जैन सुन रहे हो तुम? तुम्हारे अब्बा ठीक कहते हैं. मैंने ही बिगाड़ा है.
Zerlina's brother passed away. One of the most serious accidents seen in Gulberg. उसकी अम्मा कभी रिकवर नहीं कर पाई. I mean, how could she? She lost everything.
मामा दवाई.
पानी पीते तो.
And in trying to save her, Zerlina सब कुछ खो बैठी, even herself.
Hello, Zelina. Um, Yaar, can I please come see you? I really need to talk to you.
Okay. Coffee bean?
हाँ मैं बस आ रही हूँ.
If I scream into the void, will it scream back? If I come over, would you walk?
आंटी कैसी है नूर? डॉक्टर्स ने क्या कहा है?
पता तो है तुम्हें वो कितनी लापरवाह है. चिविली हंसती खेलती तुम्हारे घर से आई थी, स्टूडियो से गिर गई.
मगर डॉक्टर्स ने क्या कहा है?
सर पे बहुत गहरी चोट लगी है. बस दुआ करो जितनी होश आ जाए उसे. मेरी बेटी.
नहीं वो ठीक हो जाएगी. आप परेशान मत होएं. शी इज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग गर्ल. शी विल बी फाइन.
जी आंटी ठीक हो जाएगी. शी इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग.
If you didn't already know, नूर सीढ़ियों से नहीं गिरी थी, लेकिन शायद सिर्फ अपने माँ बाप की नज़रों में. इतना कि she was unconscious in the ICU.
Hey, Zelina. To be honest, Zelina, I don't know what to say. And I think the only thing I can even say right now is that I'm really sorry for whatever happened.
You really dissociated with him, just like that.
I mean, I had to, and besides, are you going to make me feel bad about doing this like everyone else has been too?
No, he deserves hell. मैं ये दोबारा नहीं बोलूँगी, but thank you for doing the right thing.
No, Zelina, thank you for being honest, for speaking the truth, for being so brave.
I don't need your support, Noor. I hope you know that. I don't need your pity or anything. I don't need anyone.
I know, Zelina. I know you don't. I know you don't need my support. But I want to offer it to you. I want to lend you my support.
I want to support you too. Anything you need. I know it can't be easy to walk away from lifelong friends.
Thank you, Zelina. I really, really appreciate it.
You're welcome, Noor. It's the least that I could do.
We didn't get her. Everyone's gonna need someone, right? It's not natural. And it was easy for us to call her weird or like a drug addict, who couldn't build any real connection. To call her attention seeker whenever she stood up for herself. Zerlina, like everyone else, wasn't always like this. She had forced herself to be. She didn't need anything or anyone from this world. She was detached, existing just because she had no other choice. And yet sometimes, only sometimes, she wanted the world to bend the fuck over, puke all that shit out, and heal itself. So sometimes she could care.
दयान, कभी तो फैमिली व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप चेक कर लिया करो. क्या मतलब है तुम्हारा कि तुम 12th को इस्लामाबाद जा रहे हो? It's time's death anniversary. Have some respect.
जी ओके अंडरस्टूड. मॉम कैन वी प्लीज टॉक अबाउट दिस जब मैं वापस घर आ जाऊँ?
You're not going anywhere. End of discussion.
Is everything okay? We don't have to watch the movie, you know.
And it's okay. This is that me and Alti were planning a little getaway to Islamabad. But apparently, it's my brother's death anniversary the same weekend.
Your brother passed away? I didn't know. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's been years since he passed away. Mom just hasn't recovered at all lately. And this time of the year is little rough on it.
I can understand that. My brother too passed away about 6 years ago, and my mom,
I get it, and I'm sorry.
I thought you were an only child. I'm so sorry to hear about that.
Yeah, it's just one of those really bad things that have happened.
But I feel like death's heavier. It's the only reality one knows. The inevitable.
You know, sometimes I wish that it was me in the car, not him. God, I sound like such an asshole, but I wish he had to be here and I didn't. Because this earth, it just doesn't seem like the place to be in, you know. It just isn't it?
As selfish as I may sound right now, I'm glad you weren't. Because we wouldn't have met.
Oh God, Dayan, you really have a way of making everything sound cheesy and fuckboyish.
I'm sorry, sis. Straight man has feelings.
Honestly, I'm sorry for your loss, but fuck you. Let's go get popcorn.
Chalo.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम आंटी मैं ज़रीना नूर की दोस्त
आयरा तुम किन किन लोगों को बता रही हो?
इसका तो बस छोटा सा एक्सीडेंट हुआ है ना तो इसमें छुपाने वाली कौन सी बात है
ये हंगामा यहाँ मत मचाओ। नूर के अब्बा को ये बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद।
है कहाँ वो
पता नहीं।
क्या हाल किया इस कंजर आदमी ने नूर का
Zelina, what the fuck? That's her dad. You can't talk
Can I
like
talk
that.
to you I don't think so
She'll be fine. The doctor says she's lost a lot of blood, but she'll be fine.
You should have known a good thing when it happened to you Ati
Excuse me?
ये clout, fame और fake persona this might make you rich but it's not gonna make you happy life is nothing without love Ati
You don't know what you're talking about, Zerlina.
अगर मुझे पता ना होता ना कि नूर तुमसे कितना प्यार करती है which by the way I don't understand because you're a sad excuse for a human being तो मैं तुम्हें धक्के मार के यहाँ से बाहर निकालती
तुम हो कौन भाई? नूर की 2 दिन पुरानी दोस्त। तुम कौन होती हो मुझे यहाँ से धक्के मार के निकालने वाली?
I thought that. I didn't say it. I had a tendency for never saying things I really felt.
Let's just peacefully wait for her to wake up.
तुम लोग पता नहीं कौन सी दुनिया में रहते हो प्लीज
I don't think you should go inside.
I have to see her, Alti. मैंने ऐसा सोचा भी नहीं था कि कभी ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा। मुझे लगा उसका सिर्फ फोन ले लेंगे कुछ, लेकिन
What are you talking about?
नूर।
हाँ क्या नूर दयाल? तुम्हें क्या लगा था कि क्या होएगा? What did you do?
Confrontation was never my thing. I smoked up and forgot about shit. But God, these last few fucking days.
Dayan, what the fuck are you doing here? Zelina, be there. You can't be here.
Someone tell me what the fuck is going on here?
Mother Chod, you blackmailed her, didn't you? मुझे पता था मुझे तुम्हारे बारे में कोई स्टोरी या डिटेल्स पोस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि तुम अपने रंग खुद ही दिखाओगे
Blackmailed her?
Yeah. He sent pictures of Noor to her dad from the party. And he's beaten her black and blue and that's why she's in this fucking state in the hospital, Dayan.
Get the fuck out of my sight, बहन चोद चूतिया इंसान! तूने हर हद पार कर दिया दयान, fuck off!
देखो मुझे नहीं पता था कि ऐसा कुछ होगा। मैंने नहीं भेजनी थी पिक्चर जल्दी यार। मुझे बस इतना उस वक्त गुस्सा चढ़ गया था।
Aww, you're such a victim, na? You're such a fucking victim to your circumstances. Get the fuck out of here.
ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ?
Reparations, आंटी।
ये तुम लोगों के 5-5 कनाल के बंगले नहीं है कि जहाँ जो दिल किया कर लिया। नूर के अब्बा को एक-एक रिपोर्ट देंगे ये लोग, समझे? और तुम लोगों को अभी अंदाजा ही नहीं है कि जब उनको पता चलेगा तो क्या होगा।
Oh, I wish I felt sorry for you, आंटी। लेकिन जालिम से ज्यादा बड़ा जालिम वो होता है जो चुप करके जुल्म सहता रहता है।
Zelina, stop.
No, you stop, Ira. Stop trying to control everything. I don't understand how you could let this happen to Noor for so many fucking years. How could you? I kept thinking कि नूर तुम जैसे लोगों की दोस्त कैसे हो सकती है? But now I get it. All her life, all she's known is cruelty, violence, and just fucking silence.
can't judge victims for the way that they cope.
Yeah, like you.
What are you talking about?
He joked about it, you know? At the party, he joked about it.
Dayan? You've been telling people?
God, Dhyan, you're fucking disgusting.
Noor was worried. That night when you came over and you took Dayan's side and asked me to delete the Instagram story, she knew about it.
Noor knew.
Yeah, apparently you never really talked about your childhood with Dayan or anything.
I'm so sorry.
She stuck up for you, you know? Even when you took his side.
I was just so scared. I just didn't want people to know.
Yeah. People are merciless, aren't they?
मरीज को होश आ गई, आप लोग जा सकते।
A lot of scary things happened that day. I saw Noor at the hospital. I saw people deal with too many emotions, far more than I could ever reckon with. I saw myself calling Dhyan for who he was, to his face. I saw Dhyan's silence. I saw him give up. I saw him retreat into a corner almost like a distant hope of redemption. I saw him be sorry. None of us were perfect. I was an escapist, a secretive addict, pretender. Noor was a one-man army. Ira was learning, but sometimes she forgot there was far more to learn. Zerlina was stubborn in her strength. Dhyan was, well, unfortunately, your average guy, an obedient product of an awful system. Who am I to say? What did I know? We were all kids. And then suddenly we were expected to grow the fuck up.